Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we want to share with you our unframed canvas prints. If you want to add a touch of elegance and creativity to your living space, you are in the right place. So let's get in our result. First, we offer two styles, square and rectangular. You can choose the perfect shape to complement your decor and suit your artistic taste. Our wide variety of sizes gives you the flexibility to decorate any room in your home with our beautiful canvas prints. Now you might be wondering why we didn't include a wooden frame. Shipping delicate frames all the way from China can be very expensive and easily damaged. Therefore, to help you save costs and ensure you receive a perfect canvas print, we have decided to offer unframed canvas prints. If you're not an artist, it might be tedious for you to design the canvas. You can use AI or some well-known copyright-free image platforms to choose your favorite images. From stuck with design ideas? Just do a Google search for keywords like canvas prints or canvas print design and explore popular designs in the Choose an Image section. You can check out popular designs and get inspired from here. So what are you watching for? If you like this video and want to get more similar exciting content, please don't forget to like this and share it with your friends. See you next time.